Hello, this is Jesse from Deep South Beekeeping and more. It's cold in the Deep South today, but it's a good day to show you how to change the engine air filter on a 2024 Super Duty PowerStroke engine, 6.7 diesel. You can spend big bucks having this little job done at the dealership, but I'm going to show you today how you can do it for just the cost of the filter. Here's your air box for your air filter right here. I'm going to start this job by loosening this clamp. It actually needs to be pretty loose. That boot can be pretty stiff, especially in cold weather. Get down, Kelly girl. Get down, Kelly girl. I know, baby. Now, there are 3 clips that hold this air box. Here, here, and here. Now, you could probably do this job without taking the sensor loose, but I'm going to pull that air box a little further out so that you can see it better. So I'm going to do it. Now, this electrical clip right here, or this electrical connector, it has a little clip on the back, and you pull it up. Take your nail and pull it up. Okay. Now at this point, I'm gonna pull this air box off. Lay it on top of the battery. Okay, here's your air filter right here. Just lift it out. Set it aside. And here's the new air filter. But before I put it in, I want to vacuum that air box. Okay, the air box is clean. Okay, we're going to go in with the new air filter at this time. Make sure it's seated. Now, when we go back in with this box, we've got to make sure that these tabs go in these holes right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go back on this boot. Now we've got to get our boot back on. Slide the boot back into place. Want to make sure that our air box is on correctly. If those tabs I showed you are in the holes, which they are, and we'll tighten the clamp back up. Put the electrical connector back on. And slide the little clip back down. Okay, the job is finished. Everything is in place. I hope this video was helpful to you today. If it was, please hit like and subscribe. This is Jesse from Deep South Beekeeping and More. I'll see you on the next video.